How to ask Google Gemini to summarize long articles easily. So to do this, what you can do, you can simply access based on the platform that you're using. So you can, for example, if you're using the mobile app, so like here, so I'm going to use the mobile app. Just open the Gemini mobile app and then you can log into your account. If you have a Google account, you can simply log in. And then once you're done with that, so what we're going to do, you can either copy the text of the article you want to summarize or provide the URL of the article. So you can either do one of these. So for example, let me open up an article. So for example, I will use this article here. So this article, I can try to either copy this article. Okay, so for example, just copy this and then just select whatever I want to. So for example, just copy the whole article. I can just copy that, or else I can simply tap on the URL and copy the URL. So either way you can just do. So what you can do, tap on this Ask Gemini and then paste it. Okay, and then you can just give a comment or a instruction saying like, can you like summarize this article for me? Okay, something like that. Summarize this article for me. Or you can type in, can you provide a brief summary of this content, something like that. So you can just type that in. Okay, and then you can just send it. So once that's done, I'm going to do hit on send. And what's going to do, so now this is the article that I generated. So what happened here, so Google Gemini will take just a little bit of time and then it will just here it will do a summary of this article. So as you can see, so here's a summary of the article. So that's the one. As you can see, it's much more smaller and shorter and up and straight to the points. So that's how you can summarize long articles through Google Gemini. It's pretty easy to use. Hope the video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.